Chhath Puja is one of India's most revered festivals, bringing millions of devotees to riverbanks across India. The festival, commencing on October 25th, will be celebrated over 4 days to honor the sun god and Chhathi Maya. It is associated with river ghats, offering a spectacular view of faith, devotion and cultural tradition. WION's Nikita Singh has a glimpse for you.
Now we're near the Vasudev Ghat as we move along the Yamuna, and you can see preparations at the Ghat itself for the Chhath Puja. As part of the Delhi government's 45-point action plan that started in June, some of the key measures include sewage management, solid waste management into the river, drain trapping, also making sure that there's increased discharge of treated water into the river, and also modern waste technologies are in place. With me is Acharya Gopal Jhaji, RWA Secretary of the Yamuna Bazaar, and is also the head priest of the Vasudev Ghat Aarti. Delhi government का क्या सहयोग रहा है यमुना को क्लीन करने के लिए, और ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग प्लान को एक्चुअली आपने देखा है होते हुए, इम्प्लीमेंट हुई हैं चीज़ें वाकई में, तो बताइए इन चीज़ों के बारे में प्लीज़।
सबसे अच्छा जो विषय मुझे लगा वो यमुना का पानी साफ और निर्मल हो गया है, जिससे यहाँ पे लोग अब यमुना में स्नान कर सकते हैं, उसका आचमन कर सकते हैं। और जो छठ पूजा हमारी आ रही है, छठ पूजा में जो माताएं मातृशक्ति हैं हमारी, वो पानी के अंदर खड़े होकर पूजा करते हैं, अर्थात भगवान जो ढलते सूर्य हैं उनको अर्घ्य देती हैं और प्रातःकाल उगते सूर्य को प्रणाम करती हैं। तो सबसे अच्छी बात है, उन्हें कोई बीमारी नहीं होगी।
Well, as we move along the river, there are certain canals here, about 8 to 9 canals. This is the ISBT canal. Now, as you can see, they've put this net on top to make sure that the waste from the canal does not trickle down into the river. Well, we're now at Vasudev Ghat, and here again preparations for Chhath Puja are in action. Well, where I'm standing right now, 2 months ago, when the floods had come in, right from mud to sludge and everything that comes with the flood, this entire area was covered with that. And now with certain initiatives, as you can see, the mud now is neatly tucked down, and in fact there are efforts in place to recover more of the land and more of these stairs, to make way for the aarti that's going to happen at Chhath Puja. Well, for now, the efforts to reclaim Delhi's lifeline, the Yamuna, are both symbolic and urgent. A reminder that the revival of the river is tied to the city's own future. With camera person Libin, this is Nikita Singh for WION World is One.